Welcome to ABC GROK! Let's come to our video! Hi friends! Welcome to ABC School Objects. Let's learn school things from A to Z. A is for apple. B is for book. C is for crayons. D is for desk. E is for eraser. F is for folder. G is for glue. H is for highlighter. I is for ink pen. J is for journal. K is for kids' backpack. L is for lunchbox. M is for marker. N is for notebook. O is for organizer. P is for pencil. Q is for question board. R is for ruler. S is for school bag. T is for teacher board. U is for uniform. V is for visual chart. Drink up, Dero. Staying hydrated is important. W is for water bottle. X is for X-ray chart. Y is for yellow chalk. Z is for zip pencil case. Great job, friends! You learned ABC School Objects. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.